whatever it is. Identify your needs in very practical terms. What is it you need to get going with a business?
We're having development financial institutions that are coming in, and these are people that are looking to understand what are the investment opportunities that do exist in the infrastructure and tourism space. There are some people within our environment that do basket weaving. So these arts and crafts people, some are in fashion and textiles. These are all part of the environment where you as a business they operate.
Now we all society say we are women, and we're really going to do this so it works for us. So the focus is not about anyone else, but about creating the enabling environment to really support the women of this country by listening to the solutions that we have to offer.
In this room, beyond this room, we have a responsibility. So you are going to take this responsibility with all your heart and all your soul and all your might and move forward. So next time we come, when UN Tourism is here again, when our partners are here from everywhere, we're going to have stories to tell them that from this workshop, we have moved a notch further. And you know what? I have a saying, and we have a saying here in Sierra Leone, that every woman has a productive space in Sierra Leone's tourism industry, and we expanded it to say that every woman has a productive space in Africa's tourism industry. So take your space today, claim it, and move. Thank you very much.